Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to place order on Idlefish or Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our Xianyu shopping app. Having opened up your Xianyu shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for products from different sellers on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for product on Xianyu. One of the first ways is to just begin to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different product that is going to load up right here. However, not every product you can get right here are new product. Some of them are second-hand, fairly used goods that you can get at a very cheap price right here. If you want to source by different category, you can simply click on here, then you see different category of products right here. However, once you are able to source for product, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and chat with the supplier. After you chat with the supplier, that is where you can proceed to place your order. And in this video, I have a particular store that I want to buy from that I decide to make it a step-by-step guide tutorial and show you how to place your order with Xianyu seller. So let's find out. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we click on our chat box right here. So for that, what we want to do is to click on here to proceed to my chat box right here. So I'm getting to my chat box. I'm going to use this particular store right here. I'll open up our chat. So you can see my chat with them right here. Just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do is to proceed to, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to buy again. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed. The next thing I'm going to do is to choose another size right here. I need size 44. Then same color. Next thing I'm going to do is click on here to proceed. So here we go. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed with the payment. So here we go. Next thing I'm going to do, so you can see I'm making payment with my Alipay and I'm paying the sum of 16.98 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to proceed with the payment. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on here to make my payment. Then enter my payment password. Just like what you see right here, payment done successful. So next thing I'm going to do is to make a screenshot of this part right here. Having made a screenshot, then I will go ahead and click on here to go back. Click on here to close this pump up, then go back. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to check my profile. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we click on here to see the goods we just paid for. Just like so, you can see it right here. It's that simple. So finally, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on Xianyu app. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. So this is the person that asked me to pay for them. You can see my chat with them right here. And this is the product picture. Just like what you see right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on here, quote, and say payments made successful. Okay, then I'll click on here, upload the proof of payment. Here is the proof of payment and send. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So you can see my chat with this person right here that asked me to buy this particular goods and make payment for them on Xianyu. If this is exactly what you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or Xianyu Chinese shopping app, or DHgate shopping app, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.